This is gonna be super cool. I mean, I hope it's gonna be cool. What's up, everybody? I literally have no idea how today's video is gonna turn out. Last week I bought this super high quality scanner online. It came with this insert that you put inside the scanner, giving it the ability to actually scan 35mm film. Stuff that I don't have. I wonder if I can go online and buy other people's 35mm film. Boom! Yes, you can. I went on eBay and I bought 100 random vintage 35mm color slides Kodak. Today we're gonna go over 10. If you guys enjoy this video, I'll do more. I have zero idea what is on these 35mm film. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my God, these are, look at this. They come in Ziploc bags. This is how oh, and they're all different. Yo, I can already tell. Holy shit. Is this creepy? To my understanding, this 35mm film is anywhere from 1950s to the 1980s. What the f? What the f is that? I swear to God, if I got a ghost in here, look at, yo, this is freaky as shit. Holy shit. Is this for real? You gotta see this. It's like some freaky ass mask. Okay. So we got a whole Ziploc here, whole Ziploc here. We've got these bigger ones. These should all be color, by the way, as well. Yo, these are so random. There's an old guy with no shirt on. eBay really came in clutch here. This is getting super exciting, guys. Right here, we have the Epson V600 photo scanner. It is a very high quality scanner that I bought. It comes with this. So this is for 35mm film. I need to look at a video first, because I'm not sure how to load this. C lines up with C here. These Kodak films say Kodachrome on the top. Those go face up. Plug in the scanner, close it. From my understanding, these are purchased at an estate sale. The person I bought it off bought a whole ton of them, and then they're selling them off at random. They're giving you 100 of them, and they just pick randomly. So these aren't necessarily all from the same family, same photographer. This is gonna spit out 4 random photos. Okay, I think it's done. Photo number 1. Okay. It's a boat. Kind of boring. This is literally what I expected to get. 100 of these type shots. I don't know, it looks pretty nice in the background, that's for sure. Number 2, it's like a shipwreck. This is weird because these were pulled from random times, so it's another boat one. Nothing special. What's number 3? Oh shoot, this is those look like Canadian flags, but it looks like they're riding horses in a ballroom. I don't know where the hell this would be. Okay, that was 3. What's number 4? Another boat-related one. It's like an old shack. But you could tell, if you look over here, you can see there's like an old car. There's 4. Weren't that exciting. Let's get some more here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side towards screen. Okay, so these are different. All right, let's do our next 4 here. Oh, the years are on the back. Next 4 already. This is shot number 5 of the random 35mm. Oh, they're eels. Or no, they're like, what are those things? That's a seagull. And what are these? They're like eels or something. Why am I saying eels? Why the f am I saying eels? No, I think they're sea otters. It's definitely like moss or like coral stuff on the side of the rocks. Number 6. This looks like a Civil War reenactment. This is so cool. You know what's really impressive is these cameras sort of depth of field is pretty interesting. Again, no real indicator of where these are taken from, but that looks like a Civil War reenactment. All right, number 7. Oh, number 7's a dud. Really? Is there nothing on that one? Oh man. Yeah, there's nothing on number 7. Number 8. It's a church. Again though, you could tell this is the 80s. Look at the car right here in the corner. Looks like a morning at a church. In the off chance that anybody that is watching this video knows where these are from, knows where maybe this church is, but the mountains almost look like maybe California or something. Let me see if the year's on here. So the church has no year. Civil War reenactment, August of 1977. What about the water one? When was that? May of 1987, 10 years later. We'll do another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next batch is in. All right, let's scan them. Each scan takes about 5 minutes. This is shot number 9. Ooh, this is dusty, man. Are those people skydiving? Those are either skydivers or we're looking at this upside down. Let me rotate this. This might be like an air show. Those could be airplanes. That slide looks they're all very dusty. Okay, number 10. We got a person. Oh my God. We got a person. This one says it's from November of 1976. We actually got a person. Now, a lot of these dust marks, that's actually just dust on the film. This stuff, I love this stuff because I wonder what her story is, who her family is, where she's from. This is so cool. This is picture 11. Oh, yo, what are the odds? What are you, guys, I picked these at random. And this is the same woman's family. Yeah, November of 76. 43 years ago. These kids in this photo, 5 and 3, they'd be about 50 years old, these people, these kids. It's almost like it would be so cool to return these family photos. Load this on Twitter, try to find this family. This is photo 12.
Yo, so my God. Hold on a second. This is like pure 70s. Yeah, that guy kind of looks like me. Wow, look at this style. What year is this? Oh, it doesn't say the year. Gotta be the 70s. It almost looks like a band picture. Again, if anybody can indicate where this is from, where this background is, it's kind of tough, but there's like a smokestack here, which would be indicators, red, white, and blue smokestacks. Other than that, these buildings probably look different than today. But look at these outfits, eh? This is awesome. Like, you go from a family portrait to almost like this like band-like shot here. This like John Lennon looking dude right here. But there you guys have it. Those were 12 shots. I still have 88 more. So if you guys want me to do 10 more or 20 more, give this video a thumbs up or let me know on Instagram. If this video is live, I will post 3 other slides that were not in this video over on my Instagram story at Danocracy. So hopefully if you've seen this within 24 hours, go over there. I'll probably do more of these. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and turn on notifications. See you guys in my next video. See you guys later.